This week on Make Me a Sandwich, we skip the line at Otto, New York City, and get slicing with the fabulous Florentine folk from Vinaio, who are rocking the most sought-after pop-up sandwich shop in the whole tri-state area. How many sandwiches do you make a day?
300-400.
300 or 400 sandwiches a day? I've seen some popular sandwich shops in my time, but I've never seen a line that long for a shop that's not even open.
It's beautiful.
Well, let's get a sandwich, okay?
Yeah.
There's a wicked line down the street, as you can see. We're gonna take the back way. This is the Goodfellas, the Copa entrance. I like going this way. It's better than waiting in line. Ah, you kids. Hey, how are you? How you doing, Gino? Every time I come here, every time, don't you work? Chef Gaetano Arnone, how are you?
Good.
Ready to make a sandwich?
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's do it. Ciao.
George Clooney.
George Clooney, nice to meet you. You look good. So you're from Florence?
We're both from Florence, center of Florence.
From the center of Florence. How do you like New York? Is it the same as Florence?
Actually, I love New York. It's there is everything. We're living close to Times Square, so
Oh,
everyone is.
you're right in the armpit. Good for you. Yeah. Have you eaten our sandwiches here? Have you had an American sandwich?
We want to try the cats.
Oh, Cat's Deli? Can I make a recommendation?
Yeah.
Vinaio'S.
That's our perfect sandwich.
Trust me, I make a show about sandwiches. Boy, that smells amazing.
That's our bread.
What is this, a focaccia?
Focaccia, sciacciata.
Sciacciata.
Sciacciata. Typical Tuscan bread.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at the steam.
Look at the steam. Bada come la fuma.
Bello. Fuma, fuma.
And we make it fresh every morning.
That's gorgeous.
So every morning we have fresh bread. You want me to make a sandwich?
Yeah, what's your favorite?
My favorite is the Favoloso. So it's the sandwich that made us very famous all around the world. And it's made by the sheep cheese spread, pecorino spread, artichoke spread, and the eggplant, fried eggplant. The finocchiona, salami with fennel, that's typical of our region.
Just a few slices.
Just a few slices, you know.
Just half of
just
it.
That's a Vinaio'S style.
You grab it.
And then you eat it. I mean, if I have to, it's a sit,
Someone
right?
has to do that.
I feel like I should take it on a date first. It's like, this is beautiful.
Oh, yes.
God. I mean, I want to cry. It's really good.
Hot bread, levels of flavor, pecorino, fried eggplant, and then the finocchiona. Now in Italy they call it sbriciolona. You can't get it in the United States. We had to kind of search far and wide for people that were making Tuscan-style salami here in the United States.
It's nice. It's really moist, like fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's delicious.
In Florence it's even fresher because it's only 30 days of season.
Yeah.
So it's almost
raw. Yeah, that's
And
beautiful.
you can taste the meat.
This is great. If you guys love that.
Thank you.
Grazie,
Thank you.
huh?
Grazie a te,
Beautiful.
caro.
I don't know. This might beat the Vinaio'S.
Yeah. That's
I'm throwing down. Listen, if you go, you call me because I want to watch your face while you eat the sandwich over there.
yeah.
Okay,
We'll
good.
go.
And the best hamburger is down the street from there. Boom. You're gonna get fat. It's okay. Well, you walk a lot in the city.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. I'm gonna go hide in the corner and eat this. Grazie.
Ciao, grazie. Ciao.
Yo, thanks for watching. It's Robbie, the Sandwich Serini. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a new video each week. If you got a place we should check out, then let me know down in the comments. We love you, and see you next time.
Oh, that's good. Sandwich vendor.